It's a bit wet today. When I got here, it was pouring wet, but the rain has let down. Today, I'm here to pay good old Kumba a visit. The coaster was down for a couple of weeks due to maintenance, and today it reopened. I got here on a late afternoon during a heavy rainstorm. I waited until it stopped before I entered the park. Of course, everything was still closed, and I make my trek to the back of the park. And we've made it to Kumba, and it's still raining, kind of. Upon my arrival, I noticed something interesting. Kumba has a fresh new logo. Not only that, it's all over the Congo area. Pretty strange they're doing this for a coaster that was rumored to close soon. Is this a clue of bigger things to come for Kumba? Perhaps a refurbishment of some sort? I don't know, but I have a feeling we're going to have an answer soon. After about 20 minutes of waiting, Kumba starts testing. Before you know it, Kumba reopened and we all spill right into the queue. After a couple of rides, I started to head out since they were closing an hour earlier due to weather. I passed by Scorpion and, well, decided, what the hell. And of course, I couldn't leave without getting a ride on Serengeti Flyer. Oh, well, this is a dream. No way. Let's go. And I'm going to end it here. Take care.